Hello everyone, this is the Eisa, an English language teacher from Sanab Al-Khair School. I hope that you're doing very well. Today we have another English lesson for grade 9 from Unit 6. It is about language essentials. Student book page 75. Our goal for today is to be presented to the imperatives in English. So we know a general rule about imperatives that it is to say or to tell someone to do or not to do. But today we will know more and in details about imperatives. So let's start. Imperatives, you can use imperatives to give an order or to give a warning or advice. And if you use please to make a request, you can use please in order to make a request, okay? To make the imperative, use the infinitive of the verb without to. Just use the verb itself, the imperative of the verb. Come here, sit down. This is examples about imperatives. To make a negative imperative, we put don't before the verb. Don't or do not. It is the same. So we put it before the verb. Do not go. Don't go. Do not walk. Okay? You can use let's before the verb if you are including yourself in the imperative. If I am also included in this imperative. Let's stop now. Okay, so I am included, so I used let's. Let's stop now. Now, moving to the orders. When an order is given, the tone of your voice is important. Pay attention to this point. Each word is stressed and the tone falls at the end of the sentence. Each word is stressed and the tone falls at the end of the sentence. For example, let's read this sentence. Sit down now. Sit down now. Okay, it starts high and then it falls towards the end of the sentence. Orders can be emphasized using the word do plus infinitive to emphasize it, to stress it more. You can use the word do before the infinitive verb, such as here we have be quiet, be quiet. In order to emphasize it, you can say, do be quiet, do be quiet. So we emphasized the verb more, or the imperative, or the order more. For the negative, we change don't to do not. So it becomes negative. So, for example, don't eat the cake. Don't eat the cake. We will say, do not eat the cake. Do not eat the cake. Okay? This is for orders. When you ask someone to do something. Moving to the third part, which is warning. You can use the imperative to warn someone of danger because you are afraid that he would be in danger, so you will warn this person. And the words in warning are, all the words in warning are stressed, all the words. But the last word has a higher tone than the first word. It is in contrast to the orders. Here we start from higher to lower. Here we start from lower to higher, okay? For example, watch out, watch out, look out, look out, and don't cross, okay? So from lower to higher. And this is about the first three. Now let's see the other ones. Here are the last two, which is advice and requests. And advice, when you give advice using the imperative, the words are stressed normally. It does not go from higher to lower or from lower to higher. You just stress the words normally as you use in any language. Eat an apple. It is much better for you than a biscuit. Okay, this is normally. In requests, you can also use the imperative to make a request, but you should use a polite word before the verb because you are requesting something from a person, so you have to be polite. An example is, please take a seat. We don't say take a seat, it is please take a seat. Or in the written language, in written English, you might also see the word kindly used as a polite form of request. For example, kindly return the book as soon as possible. So this is a polite form of using requests. I hope that you have enjoyed this lesson and that you will be able to use all these imperatives in your written and spoken language, and see you soon in next lessons.